In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock your WhatsApp chats without using a fingerprint.
Luckily,
sometimes your fingerprint sensor may not work properly, or it might not be available on your phone at all. Luckily, there is still a way to keep your chats private and secure. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application, then tap and hold on a chat that you want to lock without using a fingerprint. Then, tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Lock Chat. Tap Continue, then enter your secret code. Tap Continue again. Now, that chat is locked. And for added security, it has been moved to the Locked Chat section. If you want to unlock that chat, tap where it says Locked Chats. Type in the secret code. Tap Continue. Then tap and hold on that locked chat. Tap on the three little dots at the top right. And then tap Unlock Chat. Type in the secret code. Tap Continue. And now that chat is unlocked. Using this method allows you to control who sees your messages without needing extra apps. Remember to choose a strong secret code that only you will remember. This simple trick will help keep your important conversations safe from prying eyes while making sure you can easily access them whenever needed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.